So I want to introduce our mini cutter. So once you get your soap out of the mold, you're going to push it from the first stage. You're going to place it this way and cut it the longer size. Do you understand? Do you see what I did here? Yes. You're going to place it this way. Do you see it? Yes, that is what you are going to do. So, but while cutting this, I made mistake. You will see the mistake I made here, and don't be like me. I was absent-minded. Do you see what I did? Do you see? Before I got, I was confused at this moment. Should I go or should I come? No, I said let me push it forward. So let's see how it comes. So this is it. It's supposed to be the other way around, but I cut it this way and it has to shorten it. But all the same, we still cut it, still come out well, and I still place it how it's supposed to be. Do you understand? Do you see what I did here? So this is it. So don't be like me. Once you're pushing your soap, make sure that the same side that you push it, the first side, use it to do the remaining side. Do you see what I did here? So this is it. You see it. So the second stage, we are not going to use it due to the fact that it's half mold that we made. Yes, it's half mold. If it is too full mold, we are going to cut it into two places. So that is when the second stage comes to work. So this is the last stage when you cut it into bar soap, and this is it. We are cutting it. Can you see what we are doing? Can you see what we are doing? So due to the fact that I made mistake in the first stage, it wasn't giving me what I supposed to give. So I now decided to use the long one should give you 3 pieces each, and you can place 2 or 3 or even 4 and push at a go. It's not something you do one. You can place 2, 3, 4 and push it, and make sure that it's just touching the edges. Do you see the soap? Can you see it? Very fine. So this cutter is a handy cutter, and if you're a coach, you have to go outside your city to conduct training for people. This is a handy cutter that you can carry around to the place, and after making soap, you cut it and it will come out fine and beautiful. Can you see it? So this is it. So this is our cutter. It's a fast selling cutter. I think I've received up to 10 orders from this cutter because it's kind of cheaper. It's so that for now it's 5,000 naira. It comes with a mold and side groove. Yes, so this is it, and it's very handy. So what is stopping you from getting our cutter? It's very cheap. It's very cheap. Do you see the soap that it cuts? So this is a medium size. We have the one that cuts bigger size. Yes, if you want it. The other side, because this cutter can cut 2 sizes of soap for you. 2 sizes. This is only off cut I got from this soap. This is only off cut I got from this soap, but because I made mistake in the other one, so it gets to be half. But had it been that I cut it the way I supposed to cut it, it will be complete long off cut. So the off cut is just small. It's not as if that it's cutting off, and the soap come out fine and equal size all through, and it's standard. So place your order is sold as 35,000 naira. Thank you. Buy, condition of Nigeria. This 35,000 naira might change. So if you have money now, buy. Bye, and thank you for patronizing Crystal DIY. Bye.